The Portland Neighborhood Emergency Team volunteers are here today to help out the folks who have been evacuated in Clackamas County. So we're doing a lot of different things right now. We're helping with supplies. We're helping to coordinate the resources that are available to them, and just to have a presence here and make sure that they feel like that we're here to help them. Well, we have approximately, I think, 500 people on this site, and so far this is the only site that our volunteer group has been deployed to. Well, we want to make sure that everybody maintains social distance as much as possible. It's admittedly difficult in this environment, but you know, we're going to try and organize feeding lines and things like that to maintain like a 6-foot distance. And also, when we give supplies out, we want to make it as contact-free as possible.
I think we even have a